Hello everyone. Today I'll compare three important AWS storage services, S3, EFS, and EBS. Understanding this helps you choose the right storage for your needs. Let's go. First, S3 or simple storage service. S3 store objects like files, images, and videos. It's perfect for websites, backups, and big data. You, you access files via HTTP and it's highly durable, great for a static content that doesn't change often. Second, EFS or Elastic File System. EFS provides shared file storage that multiple servers can access. It's like a network drive in the cloud, ideal for content management system or application that need shared access to files. Third, EBS or Elastic Block Store. EBS gives block storage volume attached to EC2 instances. It's like a hard drive for your virtual server, perfect for databases, application, and anything needs fast, low latency access. Key differences: S3 for internet accessible object, EFS for shared file system across servers, EBS for high performance storage attached to single instances. Choose based on your access pattern and performance needs. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and share. Bye.